Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a report in Microsoft Access. Report is used as an output of your systems. You can create a statistic of records, and report also can be used as a printed output from the system. So today we're going to create a report regarding the patient information. So please open back your exercise. So in order for you to create a report, please go to Create tab and then click Report Wizards. So from here, you have to select which field do you want on your report. You can choose from more than one table of query. But in this case, I'm going to use a patient tables. So all the information about the reports is under patient tables. So from here, this is all the available fields that you can select to be appear in your reports. So in this case, let's say I'm going to select a few fields. For example, like patient ID, patient names, IC number, the address, the DOB, age, and also gender and contact number. Alright, you can add all, or you can add a particular of fields only. So if you satisfied with these fields, click the next buttons, and then in the next page, this is the page that you can add any grouping labels. Right? For example, let's say I'm going to group this report by gender. So what I can do is just click gender and then click this arrow button. So my report will be grouping by gender. So the male and female patient will be separated. Click next. Alright, this is options. You can sort a record by up 4 fields, but this is options. Right? Let's say I'm going to sort by patient names in ascending order. If you want to display descending order, just click this ascending and display descending. Ascending means that the name of the patient will start with A and end with Z. Next. Alright, how we would like to lay out your report? There's this layout here, snippets. This is the layout designs. Block will be like this, and outline will be like this. So you can use either one, but for me, I'm going to use outlines. So for the orientation, it's up to you. If you feel that the field is too many, then you can use landscapes. Right, if you feel that the field is not too much, you can use portrait, but this one is up to you, and you also can change it later in the design view. But let's say in this case, I'm going to select landscapes. Click the next buttons. Alright, you can give a title of your report. Let's say this report is a list of patients report. Alright, so you can preview your report by clicking the finish buttons. Alright, this is our report. And notice here that you can see this is DOB. We show you the like a hashtag view here, meaning that this you have to increase the size of this field so that you can see the amounts here. And then the age here is the 0. So meaning that you have to put the formula back on how to create the age. So I'm going to show you on how to enlarge the DOB and also add the formula for the age. So in order for you to do that, just click the close print preview, and then you will go to the design view. So here you can modify your reports, you can add your themes. This one is up to you, right? Alright, let's say I'm going to change this color. You can go to format, change the colors. I can select all and also change the color. Alright, so okay, alright, this DOB, right? So the first thing what I'm going to do to show you on how to group these all fields by highlighting all the patient name, patient ID, IC number, address, and DOB, age, and contact number. And right click, you can go to layouts and then go to tabular. Alright, it's easy for you to enlarge the things. So let's try to enlarge the DOB and decrease the age. Alright, let's try to preview it back. Go to home button at the home tabs. You can go to report view. You can see. Now I can see the DOB. Alright guys, can you see this report is categorized by female and males. So this is the list of female patient and this is the list of the male patient. So now I'm going to add the formula for the age. Go back to the design view. So what you can do, just right click at the age and then go to the properties. Now you are enter the age properties. Under data, just delete this age, put equals to date, open and close bracket, right? Or what you can do, you just simply click this triple dot buttons. Alright, just put equals to date, alright, minus the DOB. Alright, let me put here. Alright, minus the DOB. Can you select the DOB here, right? But don't forget to put the open bracket first and then close bracket here. And then divide 365. Then you click OK. Go back to here. The formula is already here. Go to formats and then from format here, I need you to select standard number. Alright, and then decimal places, please choose 0. Alright, let's try to look back. Click the report view and then you can see the age is already here. Then this is the time for you to customize the report. So what you can do, this is the report view. There is another view called print view. This is a print view, right? If you want to print the report, this will be the display of the report. So try to notice here, this is the page. If you click next, there is a balance of the page. So you have to remove this one. How to remove this one? Okay, you have to go back to the design view. Alright, so here. Alright, and then you can see the green color here. Click, you can see common report error. The report width is greater than the page width. Try to remove extra space. Alright, let me see it back. Go to print preview. Okay, there is still the balance here. So what you can do, go back to design view. Maybe I'm going to reduce a little bit here the size of the fields. Alright, so maybe here also. Alright, let's try to reduce this one, the DOB also. Alright, now reduce the page. You can go to print preview. Alright, the page is fixed in one page. Alright, so this address, sometimes your address will be more than this character. So what you can do, just go to address, right click, go to the properties, and there is one attribute that you can use is, let me check it back. Alright, this one can grow and can shrink, so that you will follow the amount of the text inside your address fields. Alright, so there is one item that I want to put in the system is the number of the patient here. Alright, so how to get the number here? Right, this is what you can do. Maybe I reduce the size of the font first. Alright, you can put a little bit here. Alright, so you can go to design and then you can use this one. Okay, let me enlarge this one first. You can use text box. This is a text box. Draw in your page. Alright, just delete the text 33. So this unbound, right? So what you can do for this unbound, right clicks and then go to the properties. You can change the name of the unbound is like number. and then go to data. So control source start with 1, and then okay, running sum here is very important. So if I put overall, so what will happen? So let me put here first the things. Alright, okay, let me put it here. Alright, so maybe you can put a label here. I can use this one label. Just put this one number. Alright, and then put and drop it here. Right. Okay. Okay. Alright. This one I put overall. So let's try to review. So start from 1 to this one got no number here. Alright. So how to remove this one? How to make sure that when I start with the main record, it will start with 1 again. So what you can do, you can go back to design. Alright. Okay, you open back the properties for the number. Alright. The running sum overall, please change to overall group. Okay, and then you can see there is a number here, 1. Okay, for male, start number 1 first again. Alright, so how to remove the box? It's very simple. You have to go back to the design view, click this one, and then you can go to the formats, go to shape outline, and then click transparent. So maybe I can copy the format of this text to here. So how to do that? You can go to format, click the pen painter, format pen painter, and then click here. Alright, so now I can view back my reports. Okay, so this is how you can create the reports. So later on, maybe you can put your company logo here or your system logo in the reports and so on. To do that, you just go to here, click insert image, and then browse, and then put your logo. So today I need you to finish all these reports, and thank you very much.